How to add filters on WhatsApp video call. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Log into your account. Now head towards the chat section where you want to add filters on WhatsApp video call. Before that, make sure you have updated your WhatsApp to the latest version. If not, you need to go ahead and open Play Store and now search for WhatsApp using the search bar. Type in the name, and if you see update button next to it, select update and update it to the latest version. Depending upon your internet connection, it may take a few time, and once it is done, go back to WhatsApp. Now tap on video call icon at top right corner of the screen. Now we'll start a video call on this section. And here you will see the filter icon underneath the camera option. And here you will see all the filters. You can simply choose any filter of your choice. And you can see that we have successfully added filters on WhatsApp video call. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.